Welcome to the VHDL Design and Modeling of Digital Systems course, Wait Statements. A wait statement will cause the execution of a process or subprogram to suspend, then resume execution when one or more of the optional criteria are met. The wait statement can have up to 3 different criteria for waiting. Here's the syntax. Wait in the first option on sensitivity list. Second option is until a condition. And the third criterion option is for time expression. Here's a few different examples. The most straightforward is just a simple wait statement, which is a wait with no options, which will effectively wait forever. The next is wait on master clock, which wait on is waiting on a sensitivity list. So if there's a event on the signal master clock, then the wait resumes. The third one here is wait until reset is equal to 0. Here, until is until condition. So when the condition reset equals 0 is true, then the wait statement will resume. The fourth one here is wait for 5 nanoseconds, which is wait for time duration. This will wait for 5 nanoseconds. We can also mix and match the options as well. In the last example here, we have wait on clock 1, clock 2 until reset is equal to 1 for 100 milliseconds. If either clock 1 or clock 2 has an event, or the condition reset is equal to 1, or if neither of those happen for 100 milliseconds, then the statement resumes.